Data center, the heart of all the databases, all your messages, email, website, and web applications, even your AI prompts, where it gets from, data center. But do you know the impact created by the data center to the environment? In fact, each 100 word AI prompt consumes 500 milliliter of bottle of water. This may sound fair enough, but a billion users across the world wide enter the prompts just like you. Unlike the traditional data center, the AI data center consumes more power efficiency because it has more powerful chips like GPUs and TPUs. The TPUs are specially created by Google for AI workloads like machine learning, deep learning, and training AI models. The hyperscale AI data center consumes 1 gigawatt of electricity, which is 1 billion watts. Due to heavy AI workloads, chips like GPUs and TPUs requires more power consumption. The new version of AI, like ChatGPT or Gemini, they are built to handle trillions of calculations every second. The heat they generate is extreme to keep them cool by cooling system. These data centers use massive cooling system and also they consume huge amount of electricity and water. Data centers are thirst for fresh water. Earth can make up to only 3% of fresh water and it makes 1% accessible for humans. A large data center consumes about 19 million liters of water per day, equivalent to the water use of a town populated 10,000 to 50,000 people. And also they are responsible for 3% of global greenhouse gas emission. Google and Adani Connects invest $15 billion for data centers in India 2026 and to 2030, and that is the largest data center outside the United States and largest in Asia. And Google CEO says the data center use higher power electricity of 1 gigawatt and 80% of the electricity comes from clean energy such as solar panels, wind and hydropower and etc. This source may reduce greenhouse gas emission even though it has advanced cooling system, but it still requires water for the cooling in data center. The upcoming large-scale data center in Vishakapattinam, the water consumption level is 19 million liters water per day. This volume is comparable to the daily water needs of a city with a population of 150,000 to 200,000 people. This data center in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, significantly boosting the local economy while fostering AI innovation and digital infrastructure development. This investment is anticipated to generate approximately 10,000 crores in revenue for Andhra Pradesh and create more than 1 lakhs of jobs. Revolutionary idea for the impact created by data center on Earth is bringing data center into outer space. Tech companies now racing for bringing data center into space. Elon Musk says SpaceX will be doing this with Starlink V3 satellites and Starship launches. Google backs projects like Suncatcher for AI infrastructure in space and carrying Google TPUs. Nvidia is partnering with StarCloud to bringing in data center into outer space. StarCloud's upcoming satellite launch, planned for November, will mark the NVIDIA H100 GPUs make a cosmic debut. In space, unlimited source of renewable energy. The sun is the ultimate energy source. A solar panel can be up to 8 times more productive than on Earth, so 100% heat energy. And StarCloud plans to build a 5 gigawatt orbital data center under largest solar panels, approximately 4 kilometers in width and length. In orbit, there is no land issue, electricity or water. The data center in space is cooled by radiactive cooling method, and space is on infinite heat sink. On Earth, heat is removed by convection, air or water to carry the heat away. In space, there is no medium for that conduction, convection, or air or water to carry the heat away. So the radiation only works. You must radiate the heat by radiating infrared energy into the cold vacuum of space. In data center, the vast majority of heat comes from chips. The heat pipe is directly connected to the chips. The heat pipe and coolant fluid closed loop system. This absorbs heat from the chips into the coolant fluid and transfer it to the chips to cool the chips. And the heat fluid is pumped to the radiator panels. These panels emits the thermal energy as infrared radiation directly into the cold vacuum of space. Space acts as a perfect heat sink, which the temperature is minus 270 degrees Celsius. This is how the radiative cooling system works.